Surely can't get any better than this, can it? From surround sound digital entertainment to state-of-the-art ovens, we've come to expect pretty high standards in our homes these days. But there's one practical, brilliantly designed sink appliance that more and more people are adding to their kitchen. It sits unobtrusively in the sink, so most of the time you wouldn't even know it was there. But once you've used it, you'll wonder how you ever did without it. This is the new Evolution Food Waste Disposer from Insinkerator, the world's leading brand. Talk about a must-have accessory for the modern kitchen. Insinkerator food waste disposers don't just offer practical, contemporary convenience, they provide an environmentally sound answer to the growing problem of food waste. But first, let's talk about day-to-day mess. However careful and organised we are, pedal bins, bin bags and trips to the dustbin or wheelie bin don't exactly fill us with joy. The fact is that 20 to 30% of kitchen waste is food waste, and that can mean slimy, smelly, messy stuff to deal with, especially when things go wrong. If it's food waste, it can go off quite quickly in a warm kitchen, causing smells and providing a haven for bacteria and insects. And if you live in a flat with lots of steps between you and the outside world, well, you get the picture. So let's get back to the alternative that Insinkerator can provide. With the new Evolution models, which sit at the top of the comprehensive Insinkerator range, the company has redefined food waste disposers. Thanks to technological advances, the Evolution 100 and 200 models are the quietest, finest grinding and most powerful ever. Both feature state-of-the-art grind technology and quiet technology, so when it comes to food waste disposers, Insinkerator has set a new standard. As soon as the fresh food is prepared, the waste can be dealt with instantly and effectively. A power booster circuit with microprocessor technology increases torque to tackle the most difficult to grind foods. Turn on the tap, press the switch, push the waste into position, and away it goes. The food waste disposer grinds it effortlessly and safely into tiny particles that are automatically flushed away down the kitchen drain to join the local waste treatment system or a septic tank. Safety is no problem for a young family, or anyone for that matter. The grind ring that deals with the scraps in seconds is entirely safe, and there are no blades. As we've already heard, the quiet technology of the Evolution models has helped to create the quietest food waste disposers ever, which makes our models perfect for modern, open-plan living. As for practical matters, Insinkerator also scores top marks. Every model is compact enough to fit neatly under the sink without taking up valuable storage space. There's a quick lock-mounting assembly across the range which makes for easy installation. Here's what the inside of a disposer looks like. The food waste is flushed down the sink by cold water and drops onto a revolving plate in the chamber. The spinning action forces the waste against the outer wall, grinding it into fine particles in seconds. The alternative to food waste disposers, the old way to dispose of food waste, is causing concern around the world. Governments everywhere are committed to reducing the amount of waste going to landfill. And think about this, all that food waste going to landfill needs to be collected and transported. So, when it comes to carbon footprints, disposers score highly again. Food scraps that have been through disposers can be used to create biosolids or biogas as part of a holistic waste management approach. When the recycled material is used as a power source, soil conditioner or fertilizer, the cycle begins again. The revolutionary grind technology of Evolution simply powers through all kinds of food, full stop. Spaghetti, chicken bones, meat bones, eggshells, coffee grinds, vegetables, fruit, congealed leftovers, fish bones. The list is endless. And at the end of it all, your kitchen is left spotless, leaving you to get on and do the things you'd rather be doing. You certainly won't have to worry about your Insinkerator food waste disposer. Our high-quality design is maintenance-free, so once you fit it, you can forget it. There are more than 75 million food waste disposers in the world, and 3/4 of them are made by Insinkerator. Isn't it time you put one in your kitchen? Insinkerator. Solutions for sinks.